Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix your account can't be shown to non-followers. For example, if you see this kind of error in your Instagram account, which means you have violated any kind of community guidelines of Instagram. So that's why Instagram has restricted your account to only your followers, which means your account will not be available to explore, search, suggested user reels, feed recommendation, and all other things. It means your account is temporarily blocked from your new followers. So in this way, you can simply understand the problem. What is the problem you are having? So you can simply appeal the decision for that. For this, you have to click on appeal decision, and after that, you have to explain the Instagram team that you have not violated any kind of community guideline. But if it is not showing the appeal decision, then first of all, you have to simply close this page. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply log in with your another account or the same account. And after that, you have to click on profile. And here you have to click on three lines. And here you have to click on settings and privacy. And after that, what you have to do, you have to scroll it down and you have to click on help. And after that, you can also check for account status. And if it is showing any kind of problem, then which means you have to simply violated any kind of guidelines. And here what you have to do, you have to simply click on report a problem. And after that, you have to click on report a problem without checking. And you have to click on include and continue. And here what you have to do, you have to simply explain to the Instagram team that you have not violated any kind of community guidelines. So that's why you have to simply provide access to your all followers and non-followers, and you have to remove the restriction from your account. And after that, what you have to do, you have to provide here your email address so that Instagram team will connect to you and solve the problem for you as soon as possible. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.